Good afternoon, namaste dear student. Welcome back once again in this distance teaching learning class organized by Pabson. We are discussing set. Okay, in last class we discussed different types of set like singleton set, empty set or null set, finite set, infinite set. Okay, now today we are going to learn set relation. That means what is the relationship between the set, or what is the relationship among the set. Alright. On the basis of the types of element contained by two or more set, okay, there may be two set or there may be three set, they are defined under the following relationship. Like equal set, what kind of set are called equal set, and what kind of set are said to be or are called equivalent set, overlapping set, disjoint set, okay, subset. All these things we will discuss today in detail. Alright. Okay. Number one, equal set. Two or more set are said to be equal if they contains exactly the same elements, all right. Like example, A 1 2 3 4 and B. Equal set, two or more set are said to be equal if they contains exactly the same elements, or exactly same elements and same number. Here in set A 1 2 3 4 and set B also, here also 4 4 2 2 1 1 3 3. Okay, and these two sets are called equal set. They contains exactly same number and same elements. All right, so they are called equal set. We can write equal set as A equals to B. If A equals to B, then you can say that these two sets are equal. All right. Okay. Now you can write another example also. Suppose set A E I O U and set B O I E A U. Then here they can both set containing same element, same number and exactly same element, I mean to say. So these two sets are also equal set. Okay. Cardinal number is same. Example, suppose P set equals to 1 2 3 4 and Q suppose 5 6 7 8. Okay, two or more set are said to be equivalent if their cardinal number. Now please here you can check here cardinal number of set P 4 and cardinal number of set Q is also 4. Count number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So both set having cardinal number same 4 4. So they are called equivalent set. Okay, and they are denoted as P is equivalent to Q. All right. Two or more set are said to be equivalent if their cardinal number is same. Okay. Now overlapping set. Two or more set are said to be overlapping set if they contain at least one element common. Is that clear? Now please here, two or more sets are said to be overlapping set if they contain at least one element common. Okay, there should be at least minimum one element should be common. That means, let me write example so it will be clear for you. Example, suppose A 1 3 5 7 and B 1 2 3 4 5. You can check here the element 1 1 1 3 3 and 5 are common. So here the elements 1 3 and 5 are common in both set. So 1 also in set A as well as in B, 3 also in set A as well as in B, and 5 in set A as well as in set B. So this type of set are called overlapping set if they contain at least one element common. Okay, now you can write in you can represent this set in this way also. In diagram also we can represent. Please here, common, please first write common element is set A, set B. Okay, common element 1, common element 3 and common element 5, and please write the remaining elements of set A 1 3 5 already gone, already written. So remaining 7. Then in set B 1 3 5 1 3 5 already written. So remaining element please write. Okay, we can represent overlapping set in diagram also. Is that clear? So this type of set is called overlapping set. All right, disjoint set. Two or more sets are said to be disjoint if they do not contain any element common. All right, there won't be any element common. Like A equals, we can write 1 2 3 4 and B 5 6 7 8. You can check here, there is no any common element. See, in set A 1 2 3 4 and in set B 5 6 7 8. All right, so you can check here there is no any common. So this type of set are called disjoint set. In diagram also you can represent this. Please write all the elements of set A 1 2 3 4. This is set A, and set B 5 6 7 8. This is set B. Is that clear? There is no any common element. Okay, a set is said to be the subset of another set if every element is also the element of other set, and symbolically, and it is denoted by, you can write, it is denoted by this symbol. This symbol denote subset. Now please here, a set is said to be the subset of another set if every element is also the element of other set. Okay, let me write some example, then only you will get example. Suppose natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am taking natural number from 1 to 10, and suppose A, you can take 1 2 3 4. Then B 2 4 6 8 and 10. Please here I am taking here 3 set. One set natural number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 elements of the set, and another set A 1 2 3 4, and another set B is 2 4 6 8 10. Okay. Now please here in set n there are more more elements. Okay. So in set A there are 4 elements. In set B there are 5 elements. In set A there are 10 elements. So please here in set A 1, here also 1, here 2, here also 2, here 3, here also 3, here 4, here also 4. So here A is a subset of n. Is that clear? Every element of set A are in set n. Okay. If every element of set A are in set n, then A is a subset of n. Alright, understood? In this case, every element of set A are in set n. Similarly, now please check here 2 4 6 8 10. Here also 2 4 6 8 10. Here also every element of set B are also in set n. So B is also subset of n. B is a subset of n. Alright, understood? Okay. Question. Write whether the following pairs of set are overlapping or disjoint. Okay. Number A you can write here A factors of 12 and B factors of 18. Number B question is P equals to first 5 multiple of 4 and first 5 multiple of 7. Now please here write whether the following pair of set are overlapping or disjoint. There may be overlapping or there may be disjoint also. A factors of 12, that means 3 6 9 12, and factors of 18, that means 3 6 9 12 15 18. So whether this set is disjoint or not or overlapping, please check. Now P first 5 multiple of 4 and Q first 5 multiple of 7. Okay, these two questions I am leaving for you as home assignment. Okay. Now another question, write possible subset of now already we discussed subset. Okay, if there are two sets A and B, if every element of set A are also in set B, then you can say that A is subset of B. Okay, then here it is given that set A equals to 1 2 3. Okay, then formula it will be 2 raised to power n. Then how many subset you will get? 2 raised to power n. Then 2, how many elements are there? 1 2 3. Then 2 to the 4 to the 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then we will get here 8 subset. Okay. Now possible subset of A. Possible subset of A. Subset of A equals to, we can write 1. 1 is subset of A. 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, then 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3 itself, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again null set or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many number of subsets you will get over here? 8. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now write the question number 1. Now question number 2. Okay. Please write all the possible subset of given question. Alright. Okay. Now another topic we are going to discuss here, set operation. First, union of two sets, and number 2, intersection of two set. All right. Now let me discuss both in detail. Okay. Now union of two sets. Union of two set. Union. When the elements of two sets are listed together in a single set. It is called union of two set, and it is denoted by this symbol. Okay. When the elements of two sets are listed together in a single set, and it is called union of two set. Okay, let me write example, then you will understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then B, you can write 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how to write A union B? Then A union B, you can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please write first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now here there are no 1, 2, 3 in set B. 4, 5 already written. Repeating elements you have to write only once. Okay. Then 4, 5 already written. So 6, 7. Is that clear? Repeating elements you have to write only once. In union of two sets, we can write or we can represent both set in a single set. Okay. And in diagram also you can show this is set A, set B. This is set B. Please write common elements first. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. Remaining elements please write. Then 6, 7. Okay. This is called union of two sets A and B. All right. Okay. Intersection of two sets. Okay. When the common elements of the two sets are listed in separate set, it is called intersection of two set. Okay, let me write one second example, and it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, now let me write example 1. Suppose A 1 2 3 4 5, then set B 4 5 6 7 8. All right. So A intersection B means common element. Okay, that means what are the common element? 4 5, here also 4, here also 4 5, that means 4 5. Okay, when the elements of the two set are listed in a separate set, it is called intersection of two set, and it is denoted by this symbol. This symbol denotes intersection. Okay, now in diagram also we can show this here. This is set A, this is set B. Please write first common element 4 5, then remaining elements 1 2 3 6 7 8 6 7 8, and this portion is called intersection. This portion is called intersection. Understood? This shaded part is called intersection of two set. All right. Question 1: if A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and B equals to 2 4 6 8, then find A union B. Number B, find A intersection B. Then if there are no common elements in both sets, then you can denote by phi. Okay, then another question, question number 2: if P equals to 2 3 5 7 and Q equals to 3 6 9, illustrate them in n factors of 15, then find M union n. Number A, number B, find M intersection n. Is it clear? I am leaving these 3 questions 1 2 3 as home assignment. Okay, thank you very much.